Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ngayon ay pag-aaralan natin ang improper waste disposal problem and solution. Improper waste disposal refers to the careless or illegal discarding of garbage, hazardous substances, and other waste materials. It is serious environmental and public health issue with wide-reaching consequences. These are the key problems: environmental pollution, health hazard, flooding and drainage blockage, harm to wildlife, aesthetic and economic impact. And these are the possible solutions: public education campaigns, strict implementation of waste management laws, provision of waste bins and collection services, promotion of reduce, reuse, recycle, or 3 Rs, community cleanup drives, and eco watch programs. Here is a sample graph showing the effects of improper waste disposal on health, safety, and values. It highlights how serious the impacts are, especially on public health and pollution. For scientific principle, the law of conservation of matter, matter cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. And these are the rules as a student and responsible citizen on improper waste disposal. For promoting values, health, and safety. Proper waste disposal reflect important values such as discipline, responsibility, and care for others and environment. By throwing our waste properly, we help prevent the spread of diseases, reduce pollution, and protect both human health and by nature. It also promotes community safety, especially during floods or natural disasters by keeping drainage system clean. Practicing proper waste management show respect for life and the planet that encourages others to do the same. Thank you for listening. I hope that you learned.